Hello everyone. So the theory that I chose was emotional intelligence. This theory was developed by Daniel Goleman, and his overall thoughts on it were that it's the ability to identify your own emotions and manage them, but also the emotions of others as well. A little bit about Daniel Goleman is that he was internationally known psychologist, and he did frequent lectures to professional groups such as business audiences, college lectures, and he was known to be a science journalist for the New York Times, and all of his articles were either on the brain or behavioral sciences. So Goldman's theory basically was that there's 5 categories: self-awareness, self-management, motivation, empathy, and social communication. And all 5 of these categories play a big role in emotional intelligence. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your effect on others. Self-management is the ability to control your impulses. Then motivation is like a passion in challenging yourself. Empathy is understanding the other's point of view and where they're coming from. And then social communication is the ability to manage relationships with like your friends, colleagues, and possibly even your significant other. Goldman said that if you have emotional intelligence, you're most likely to have low signs of things like depression, anxiety, problematic tendencies, and just an overall better physicalities, like going to the gym, healthy eating, and things like that. Coming back up to the top, we have skills that most emotional intelligent people have, like emotional awareness, ability to self-identify when like you are doing something that you shouldn't be, you're aware that you're doing it. Skills like harnessing emotions, problem solving, and things like that. All things that are important to have in a classroom, I think. The sources that I used are linked down here. I recommend watching these 2 YouTube videos. They're very helpful for me understanding where all this information is coming from, and they're really cool. I recommend watching them. So thank you for your time, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.